readers, today we are going to work on a new welded sound. Remember, welded sounds are stuck together, so we also call them sticky sounds. Today we're going to practice I-N-K, pink, ink. So remember, picture pink to help us remember the sound ink. This one's a little bit tricky because it sounds like an E sound, ink. But we have to remember it is an I. All right, let's write some words. Let's write our word pink. First, we want to tap it. P, ink, pink. First sound, P. What letter? That's right, P. P. Make sure your P, P goes down below, all the way down to the worm line. P. Ink. And we write our sticky sound, I-N-K. Ink. Let's read it slowly. P. Ink. Read it fast. Pink. Our next word is link. Tap it. L. Ink. Link. First sound. L. Here we go. L. Make sure it starts at the top. L. L. Ink. Spell it with me. I-N-K. Ink. Let's read it slowly. L, ink, link. Good. All right. Our next word is rink. R, ink, rink. Where's the change? At the beginning. R, rink. All right. Let's write it. R. What letter? R. R. That's right. R, rat, R. R. Ink. Spell it. I-N-K. Ink. Read it slowly. R. Ink. Rink. All right. Let's make some more changes. This time, let's change rink to sink. S. What are we going to change? That's right. We're going to substitute the R for the S. So write your S. S. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. S. Ink. Sink. Nice work. All right, let's keep going. Let's slide my finger and see if you can find a sound we're going to add. We're going to add one sound. Ready? Slide your finger with me. Stink. Stink. Ooh, what did we add? St. That's right, we added our T. Well, where does that one go? It goes at the beginning. Make sure it's behind the S. St. Ink. Ink. And remember, we had our blend. St. And we read it fast. St. So we read it like this. Ink. Read it fast. Stink. Ooh, nice work. All right, let's keep going. We're going to come back up here out of room. Let's change stink to think. Think. What do you think you hear at the beginning this time? That's right, our digraph. Do you remember what two letters make the sound? Yes, good. T-H. Now we put a little zigzag under it to remind us that those two letters go together and make one sound. Next part, ink. Spell it. I-N-K. Ink. So read it slowly. Ink. Read it fast. Think. Awesome. All right, next word, drink. Drink. What do you hear? This is going to be a little tricky. I'm really going to stretch it. Grab your rubber band, pull it apart. D. R. Ink. Yes, that time you heard it, didn't you? D, D, D. What letter? D. That's right. Don't forget when you write it. If you forget which way it goes, go to bed. Put your hands like this. Drink. Remember, this is bed. B, E, D. D. So it goes this way. Drink. D. When you write your D, also make sure it goes back. I like to use the backup alarm. Beep, 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 beep. Go around. There you go. D, R, R, ink. What 3 letters? I, N, K. Stick them together. Ink. I like to visualize that that's a piece of string or even a piece of stringy bubble gum. Ink. Let's read it. D, R, dr, ink. So we read it. Dr, ink. Read it fast. Drink. Whew, doing great. All right, last one. This time let's do shrink. Shrink. All right, this time we're going to shrink. Yes, that's right. Let's change the D, D to sh. All right, another diagraph. What 2 letters make the sh sound? Sh, sh, sh. Yes, S-H. Let's write it. Sh, S-H. And we could put a little squiggle, a little zigzag, reminding us that that is a diagraph. Sh. Now we need our R. Ink. I-N-K. So let's read it. This time we'll do this. Let's see. Shh. Let's do that again. Shh. Ink. There we go. Shrink. A lot going on in that word. All right. I think we have time for a sentence. All right. Here is our sentence. I do not think I can drink ink. Kind of a silly sentence. Say it with me and let's count our words. I do not think I can drink ink. Ooh, that is a big sentence. 8 words. Let's double check. I do not think I can drink ink. Okay. We have 5 and 3. We have 8. Here we go. I do not think I can drink ink. All right, I'm going to put a box for a punctuation, a mountain, whoops, at the top for a capital letter. All right, pause the video. Go ahead and write your sentence. Let's say it one more time just to make sure, kind of our silly sentence here. I do not think I can drink ink. If you get stuck and forget your sentence, go back from the beginning and say it again. First word, ready? I. Okay, pause and write. Okay, check your work with me. I, did you remember your capital letter? Do, remember that's our trick word. D, oo, O sounds like an oo. A little tricky, so circle out, remind us not to try to sound it all the way out. I do not think, did you remember your diagraph? If you want to code it, you can. I can drink, ooh, did you get the blend? Drink ink. That's right. And of course, do not drink ink. All right, great job.